everybody. Today we are going to make this beautiful bird toy, and you can see this bird is flying. So let's start the work and see how you can make the flying bird toy. For this you need some sheet. First you have to draw the bird here like this. See, I'm going to draw the bird here. Now you have to cut it. Now you have to cut it. So now you can see I have done the cutting of this bird. Now you see you have to draw these two shapes. Now I'm going to take the card here for this. Now you can see I have drawn here this one shape. Now I'm going to cut it here. Now you see here I have done this cutting. So this is very important. See here. Now you keep this cutting like this here. See, this is reverse. Now you keep the cutting on the same like this, and then you have to trace it here like this. Now you have to cut it like here. See, now you will get these two shapes. Now you can see here I have done these two cuttings. These are the two wings of the bird. Now you have to cut these two stripes and one small stripe. So just take the stripe and see, make a small circle here like this and staple it here. So now you cut the newspaper like this and take a refill. Now you have to make a stick from the newspaper. See, now you start rolling it like this. Now apply the glue here. Now you can see this is the stick I have made from newspaper. Now you look here, what I have done here is I have pasted the color tape on this stick. So after in the video I am not going to paste this color tape here because it will become lengthy. So you can just paste some color tape here. Now what you have to do is you have to paste this bird. First you have to draw the eye. See, look here what I have done. I have pasted this eye. You can draw it also here. And now you have to paste the bird here like this. So you just apply the glue here on the bird and paste it here like this. Now you take these two wings and see, you have to fold the wings from here. You have to fold both the wings from here, and then you have to apply the glue here. See, you have to apply the glue here, and then you have to paste it on the bird here like this. Paste this wing here and take another wing also, apply the glue here, and now you can see you have to paste these two wings here. First paste it here and then paste it here. See, now first you have pasted, then turn it, and when you will turn it, then you will paste it here also. So on both the two sides, you can see I have pasted two wings. You can see on both the two sides. Now you take these two stripes and apply the glue here, and you have to paste it here with the wing like this, and take another stripe, and then you have to apply the glue here. First you have pasted here with first wing, turn it, then you have to paste the another stripe here with another wing like this. Now you take this circle and see, look here, hold this newspaper stick from here and take this circle, and now what you have to do is take this stripe and then you have to staple it from here, and then turn the bird, and the another stripe is here, so you have to staple this here. Now you can see this is flying. Now you can see this bird is flying. So your flying toy with bird is ready. Thanks for watching my video.